Eric here. So today I'll be telling you how to pull the body off this truck and get it down to looking like that, and then actually putting the body back on. So we'll start with the rear bumper here. This is 3 bolts each side. Up there, 18 mil. Start with that. If you don't have one of these, I call it big hoochie. Go buy one, buy it off a crackhead, steal it from your grandma. I don't know. You gotta fucking have it though, because it makes life so easy. And with those 6 off, the bumper comes right off. A little bit of persuade, a little dirt. Next up is the box bolts. So there's 6 of them on a short box truck, 8 on a long box truck. So there's one here on both sides, which you can access through this hole here, and then the other one is right up there. Use an extension and a 15 mil to get those. Coming around on the side, next bolt's right there, and then on some trucks there's this ground wire right here, which is sometimes connected, sometimes it breaks off, like it did here. Not important. So with the 6 of those removed, I like to go over here and do the old shake test. Make sure you didn't forget something. So one thing I've forgotten more times than I'd like to admit to is the fuel door here. These are held in by 3 Torx T25 screws. You just pull them out and let it hang there, and when you lift the box up, it'll slide down the side of the box. Make sure when you put the box back on, you don't forget to push that up, or else you have to pull the box back off and slide it all the way up there. Next, we come around the back of the truck, and besides Big Hoochie, this right here is a chim screwdriver, and it's your next best friend. So we've got these cables, or all these wires attached to the box for the taillights and things like that. So you want to make sure all of them are removed. The taillights have a plug right there. Okay, without further ado, the plug comes off. You can just leave your taillights together and the harness inside there. Pull all these off the box, so nothing's holding on to it when you rip the box off, and you don't rip your wiring harness all to hell. Last thing we have here is the little hole for the spare tire. So after getting everything unbolted and hopefully not skipping a step here or forgetting, we have the all-important step of lifting the box up. So what I do is I have an 11-foot strap at the rear and a 9-foot strap at the front. Now, if you put a hook on the front here, I'm going to have some choice words for you because it fucks up these squares and it drives me fucking nuts. Now, what I do is I put a bolt through the loop on the strap. Holds it nice, doesn't hurt nothing. For the rear, I run 2 shackles on these lower hooks. So when it comes to lifting it up, I have this nice cheat code here named Clark, screaming 4V71 supercharged Detroit. And other methods I've seen is using a jig crane sort of deal, similar to like what welders use to pick up skids. A big fucking tree, like a really fucking big tree, or that's pretty much all I got. You're on your own.